Hey, Will, do you know anything about McLaren, the car company? They got a really cool looking car. It's called the GT Superlight. Now, first of all, that's an amazing name. I mean, who doesn't want to say, I got to hop in my Superlight because I got to get there fast? So if you don't know about McLaren, they make these really amazing supercars. And usually they're kind of bare bones in the sense that it's all about the driving experience. They're not the most comfortable things. They went the other way with this. They want you to be in this thing for a long period of time. McLaren has unveiled its newest road offering, the Grand Tourer. That's what GT stands for. And the McLaren GT Superlight is the company's first Grand Tourer, and it fits alongside the Sports, Super, and Ultimate series of their supercars. So this one is all about comfort and cabin refinement. That's a cool-looking car. You got to admit that. And apparently it's more comfortable now. It's going to be, of course, stupid fast. And what does it say here? I actually have the specs. The top speed is 203 miles an hour, and it's going to go 0 to 62 miles an hour in 3.2 seconds. So, looks cool, drives fast, does the usual, but keeps you a little more comfortable than it has in the past. So, Will, you might have to pick one of these up, go for a test drive. Now, that's really how you have an effective date right there.